Well-maintained tree-level condo with over 1,960 square feet, close to schools, shopping, restaurants, United States 31A and I-65. Spacious main floor with eat-in kitchen and living room boasting cathedral ceilings. 3 bedrooms and full bath on the upper level floor. Lower level has a large laundry room with extra storage cabinets, second full bath, and a large open family room. Ceramic tile floors in kitchen and bathrooms, new laminate hardwood and carpet. New roof in 2014. New sump and water softener in 2016. New windows in 2017. New/C in 2018. The neighborhood has a community pool, clubhouse, and play